You graduate, you are accepted, but there's no job. Sounds familiar? This is the reality faced by many young Malaysians today. Good morning everyone, my name is Muhammad Aiman Hakimi and I am honored to stand before you to speak on a topic that is close to our hearts as university students and soon to be graduates. Tackling the challenge of unemployment among fresh graduates in Malaysia with a focus on economic perspective. According to The Star, in a report published in January 2025, the unemployment rate among fresh graduates under 25 in Malaysia has reached a concerning 17.6%. That's over 72,000 individuals struggling to find a job despite holding academic qualification. It is more than just a statistic. From an economic standpoint, it highlights two major problems. Firstly, we are facing the underutilization of human capital. Many graduates are either unemployed or working in jobs that don't match their skills or fields of study. This leads to a waste of talent and a loss in productivity for the nation. When we don't make full use of our educated workforce, we slow down innovation and economic growth. Secondly, there is the financial burden on both the government and families. Unemployed graduates often rely on public assistance such as job training, program or subsidies. At the same time, their families are forced to support them longer, reducing household income and spending, both of which are critical drivers of our economy. But there are solutions. One, we must strengthen industry-academia collaboration. Universities and employers need to work hand in hand to ensure that students are gaining relevant skills that match current job market demands. Programs that incorporate internship, practical experience, and up-to-date training are essential. Two, we need to encourage entrepreneurship and digital participation. Not every graduate will find a traditional job, but many have the passion and ideas to start their own businesses. Programs like Tekun National Graduate Entrepreneurship Scheme are great examples. Supporting graduates in the gig economy, e-commerce, and tech startup not only create jobs, it drives innovation and expand our economy. In conclusion, graduate unemployment is not just a personal setback, it's a national economic challenge. But with the right strategies, we can turn this challenge into an opportunity. By bridging the gap between education and industry, and by empowering young entrepreneurs, we can build a future where every graduate has a place to grow, contribute, and succeed. That's all from me.